All right, guys, today is the day. I'm super pumped. We are going down to our secret spot where we do a lot of our photos and video, and we're taking the all-new GTF, newly redesigned, much anticipated. You know, we've been working on it. We had anticipated launching it earlier in the spring, but it just wasn't extraordinary yet. And so now we feel like we've gotten to that point where it is a really cool offering and offers some extraordinary value. You know, the GTF has been around a long time, and it's was due for an overhaul. You know, we're going to show you all the new features about it, what it comes standard with. We're going to do a little bit of a loading segment where we're going to load a late model Lincoln Aviator on it to show you kind of how easy it loads and just the versatility of it. So there she is, hooked behind the old work mule out there. We're gonna go down to our spot and we'll see you there. Got our cool handy dandy magnet mount. So hopefully we'll see if it's still there when we get there. All right, guys, we are down at the secret spot, and we're gonna jump out, do a quick walk around, take you for a spin around the GTF, show you a lot of the new cool features and that the GTF comes with as standard equipment. And then we're gonna do loading, like we talked about, load a little SUV, which is, you know, probably this trailer has 6,000 pound axles on it. It's rated at 9890, giving you probably, about 7,000 to 8,000 pounds worth of capacity. This little SUV probably weighs, I would say, probably 4,500 or so. So it's not up close to the top of the capacity, but it's a good little load. Good, you know, it's a wide body little car, but we'll be able to load it up and give you a peek at what that looks like. So let's roll. All right, guys, here comes the loading portion that we talked about. We got our cool little Lincoln SUV. Gonna load. Oh, look at that step. Nice wide step. All right, got him up here. Perfect. Come on with it. Come on with your bad self. Right. Such a beautiful kind of the tones in that color match this metallic gray, charcoal gray. Beautiful. That's exactly what you're looking for. Loading. All right. All right, guys, that went beautiful. That's the cool thing about the new GTF. It's just so versatile. We showed you, hauling or loading just one little car, but the cool thing about the GTF being available from 16 foot all the way to 22 is you can use it for various things. You could haul a couple of side-by-sides, ATVs, sand rail. You could haul, it'll be available 102 wide drive over Fenders, so sand rail, big buggies, will be no problem either. But anyway, so it was pretty good. But what we're going to show you now is I'm going to do kind of a walk around, show you some of the cool things that stand out, what differentiates the GTF from what it used to be and from everything else on the market, everything. So as we all know, the played out material that everybody has always used for these car haulers is either 5 or 6 inch channel. Just like I said, played out. There's nothing different about it. It's boring. It's what everybody else pretty much on their car haulers uses. The only thing different is kind of like just different lipstick on it, different coating, whatever, but it's all pretty well the same frame. So what we started out with on this one is a 6-inch I-beam frame, 6-inch I-beam uniframe, sharing the same frame design as the LPX, where the tongue and main frame are all one. Starting right up here at the front, the Demco Easy Latch coupler, 7K drop leg jack. But what's really cool is this little mini HD lid design. The LPX and HDT both have a full HD V-tongue lid, and we wanted to incorporate some of that same technology into this trailer. So you have a nice deep storage tray here. It's lockable. If you use the standard winch mount, you can mount a battery in here. You've already got a hole there to run your cable to hook it up, and then it can be locked out of the way. In addition, you can carry straps, chains, quarter oil, block of wood, stuff like that. But you can also use this as extended deck space. So if you're hauling quads, pull one right up here to the front, it's no problem. Where it gets interesting is the formed rub rail. The formed rub rail goes all the way down the side of the trailer. It's got holes for your 2-inch straps to have like flat hooks. Then we've also got the smiley face holes, is what I've heard several people call them. And those are for maybe your 1-inch or 2-inch straps to have a wire hook on them where you can pull either front or back, and you've got really good angles for tie down. So the versatility for tie down, you can even stick a hook or a strap anywhere down the side on the flat, and it's not gonna hurt it. In addition, you've got the 360-degree swivel D-rings, 2 on the front, 2 back there on the dovetail. Moving down the side, you've got this cool long 36-inch step. Makes it nice to be able to get up on top of the deck, access the deck when it loaded or unloaded. It's nice. When we get to the fenders, you've got really cool easy pop latches on the front and back. So say you've got a race car or truck or whatnot, lowered truck that has low door clearance. The cool thing about that, it gains you an extra 4 or 5 inches there of door clearance. You pull the fenders off, set them to the side, and you've got that easy door clearance. There's 1, 2. Let's see if I can set this down and show you. Yeah, that should be it. Boom. And just like that, we've gained that extra clearance from the bed to where we don't have that fender sticking up here where that your door is gonna hit. That's for both sides. You can actually take the fender off of both sides. So if you had to get out of the other side, or say you had, loaded your vehicle on in reverse, you can get out on the other side as well. Just like that, they're already back on. So keep moving like this. Say this one is 6K axles, easy lube, brakes on both axles. It'll actually be available in a 7,000-pound version as well with 2 3,500-pound axles. Personally, I like the 6,000-pound axles because for this trailer, it lets you do just about anything you need to do versus if you had 7K GVWR. It's almost the exact same, well, it is the exact same frame, but just less capacity due to the running gear. And you're only talking about, what, $500, $800 maybe difference in the two. So, the same pickup, whether it's 3/4 ton, half ton, can pull either one of these, no problem. The continued formed rubber all the way to the back. The cool thing about the way we design these slide out ramps is that you can easily slide them from side to side depending on what you want to load. So you're going to load a 4-wheeler or side by side and need them, or even a mower, need them closer together, or you can widen them out like with the Lincoln a while ago. It needed pretty fairly wide track. It needed to be all the way out to the side. Let's see, let's set it down. I'll put the ramp in so that you can see the tail lights. One of my personal favorites is on this one. We've changed the tail lights. They're not your old normal standard 6-inch oval lights. They're a long bar lap, built-in reverse. And one thing that's pretty cool, no more linchpins. It's got kind of an auto latch here. You can lock it, it's spring-loaded. It's pretty cool. Also, the ramps are going to be standard in that punch plate design, so you have traction no matter what. There it is, guys. That is the Walkaround for the all-new GTF. Other options will include a rock shield. The front end will be ready so that if you want to add a rock shield or air dam, you just pop it on there. You can add your winch. As I mentioned, the mount is standard. Wood floor is the standard flooring. We'll also have options to do a diamond plate steel floor as well. You know, we have the rubber composite floor coming. That'll be an option. Blackwood will be an option on this one. There'll be, again, a 102 wide with drive over fender option. All of them are bumper pull. That's about it on this one, guys. Watch out next couple of weeks. We will be officially launching this trailer on our website. We'll put a bunch of stuff on social media. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel for all these new videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share our page, and we'll see you on the road.